Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to store Hollandaise sauce. This classic sauce is a delicate emulsion, meaning it can easily separate if not handled correctly. Its unique composition also makes it prone to bacterial growth if left at improper temperatures. Therefore, understanding the best storage methods is crucial for both quality and safety. We will cover immediate use, reheating considerations, and best practices. For immediate use, you can keep Hollandaise warm for a short period. Place the bowl over a pan of warm, not hot, water, or use a pre-warmed thermos. The goal is to maintain a temperature above 140 degrees Fahrenheit to inhibit bacterial growth, but below the point where the eggs will cook. Remember to stir it gently every 15 minutes to keep that emulsion stable. Reheating Hollandaise sauce is generally not advised, primarily due to food safety concerns. The sauce contains eggs and butter, making it a prime environment for bacteria if it cools and is then reheated. Furthermore, the delicate emulsion is very likely to break when subjected to reheating, resulting in an unappetizing, separated sauce. It is best to discard any sauce left at room temperature for more than 2 hours. The absolute best practice for Hollandaise sauce is to prepare it fresh just before you plan to serve it. This ensures the best flavor, texture, and food safety. If you find yourself consistently with leftovers, try making smaller batches. For those seeking a more stable alternative, a blender Hollandaise often holds better and can be slightly more forgiving if you need to keep it warm for a short time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.